Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Culture. This channel will contain those programs whose explanation is either not present on YouTube or the explanation is present but not up to the mark. So without wasting time, let's get started. So today is the 8th day of the September Lead Coding Challenge, and the today's question is the shifting letters, which is a medium level problem, but it a bit easy problem. Okay, no matter if you are not able to solve, no problem. I will tell you the logic and you will be able to solve it by yourself only. Okay, so let's see what is given in this question and what we have to do in this question. So in the we will be given a string of any length and a shift array of the same length as that of the string, like it means the length of the string and the shift will be equal. And what we have to do is we have to shift, like first of all we have to shift my first character by shift 1, like first character is a, I will shift it by 3. Then I have to shift the whole string, like from 0 to, like for the second character 5, I have to shift my first character by 5 and my second character by 5. For the 9, for the third, we have to shift first character by 9, second by 9 and third by 9. So you notice one thing, like that for the first time a will have been shifted by 3 times, but for the second it will be again be shifted by 5, and for the C or 9 it will again be shifted by 9. So total number of shift for A will be 3 plus 5 plus 9, for B it will be 5 plus 9, and for C it will be 9. So one thing you notice that it is that actually it's the postfix sum, like if you calculate the sum in a array, and yeah, that will be it. We have to shift the characters by that sum only, and how much we will calculate with the help of a postfix array. Yeah, you can do it. And next thing is that after calculating the postfix, you have to also take the modulus by 26, because the shifts can be much 10 to the power 9, and it will not be included in the our integer. So yeah, we have to take modulus by 26, and then it will be very simple. Like for A we have to shift it by 3. So yeah, let's look at for A. If we have to shift it by 5, then it will be what? B, C, D, E, F. We will store F. For X, yeah, for X it will be in cyclic. It will be in cyclic. Like for X, if we have to shift it by 5, it will be Y, Z, then A, B and C. So it will be C output. So if we can do it by simply what? A plus and shift of I. Okay, if the sum is less than 25. Otherwise, if the sum is greater, then what I will do, I will add X plus 5 and then subtract minus 26 from it, and then I will add it. So it will be in a cyclic, or you can also use modulus or any other method you wish. I like and prefer this method only. Okay, so I think the concept and the problem will be clear. What I want you to do is open your LeetCode and try to solve it by yourself. Okay, so I think that you must all have solved. If not, then let's look the code here. So what I will do is I am making a postfix array. It is, although it's not needed, but it will help in understanding the question easily. You can do it without creating an auxiliary array. Only shifts will do. Okay, no need, but I am doing. So first of all, for the post of, let's calculate s dot length int len equal to s dot length. Okay, yeah, so and here n. So for the post of n minus 1, it means the last entry, it will be what? It will be equal to shifts of I n minus 1. Yeah, the last will be shift n minus 1. Why? Because for the last C we will only shift it by 9, but for B we will shift it by 9 plus 5. So now for int I equal to, from n minus 2 to I is greater than equal to 0, I minus, what I will do is I will add post of I equal to shifts of I plus post of I plus 1. And one more thing that I already said, that the shifts can be greater. So what I need, I will take the modulus, because yeah, it's a cyclic, so it will do the task. So yeah, our postfix array is now completed, and I will make a string builder here. Why string builder over string? You must already be known that string builder does the task in the same string can be used for appending and deleting, but if we take a string, for each appending the new string will be created, and it will be very much costly for our memory. So yeah, SB. And now what I will do is I will traverse my string one by one. Okay, I took n here, sorry, yeah, n. So I is less than n, I plus plus, and what I will do, what I told here, I will take out my character value, my postfix value, and I will check if it is less than 26, then I will do something, and if it is greater, then I will do something. So int val equal to what, s dot char at I. Again, I'm saying that I'm making it a bit larger code so that you might get understand in a better way. You can do it in a shortly, I can do it in 6 lines only without auxiliary array, but yeah, it will be good if you do in this way. Int val, and then int int val, and how much time we have to shift it, I will store it in, let's say, m equal to post of I. Yeah, so I have to shift my val by m time. So I will check if my m plus val is less than 26, it means it is we can simply read sb dot append what, character, yeah, the value a, yeah, character, and simply m plus n plus a. Let me explain what I have done here. I have to increase my and what, val, I have to increase my val part by m times. And what is val? Val is s dot char at I minus a. I am doing minus a here, so I have to do it plus a here. You can remove it from here and here also, but as in understanding it will be good. So else what I will do, it means that my m plus val is greater than 26. So I already explained here, if my x plus 5, it will be greater than 26. X is what? X is my 24 minus a I am taking, so it will be 23. So it will be greater, and if it will be greater, then yeah, I will simply x plus 25 minus 26, and it will do the task. So my new, let's say, increase, it will be what? It will be n plus m minus 26, and I will simply append it char increase plus 26. Oh, 26 or a, yeah. I think this sums up, and it will run at last. I will, it's a very easiest and my favorite part, returning sv dot to string. And let's see that if oh sorry, I have, yeah, it was a terrible mistake, sorry. String builder, I think I should run now perfectly. Yeah, it's running. Let's try to submit it. I will explain it once more. Okay. Oh, okay, sorry. What I've done, it is a very bad mistake. I have taken n. Okay, it will be val. Yeah, it is val. It will be val. And yeah, one more thing is that I'm not taking mod here. For the first value, I'm not taking mod, but we have to take it for the, okay. So now let's try to run it, and it should run happily. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's running. Let's try to submit it, and yeah, hooray, it's submitting. So yeah, what I'm doing here is that I'm converting my postfix sum, prefix sum, postfix. Yeah, it's a postfix bit. So n for the last, it will be same for the previous, it will be last plus postfix of the last. Yeah, and in this way I will calculate my postfix array, and then it's a bit simple. Although I have done a bit more code, but it is in order to make you understand the code easily. You can do it in a 4 or 5 line. This whole can be done by a simply modulus. So yeah, that's it. That was today's video. Hope you have liked it. If this explanation has helped you in understanding this question in a proper and easier way, I think the channel must deserve a subscribe. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and ask your doubts in the comment section. Keep on coding. Jai Hind and bye.